Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, January the 16th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, the first one, the 3 Star Sudoku, will be number 7811. Well, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot for 3 stars puzzle. Well, 28 printed digits. Should be on 0 stars. But it's indicated for 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. If it's really a 0 stars, then you need to be faster than 14 or 13 minutes. We'll see if it's a 0 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? Pick a lot of 3s. Can I start with 3? Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. The 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Oh, wait. Cannot continue with the 3 now. 3, need 3 here, need 3 there. Well, let me continue with the other digit. How about the 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. How about 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in this row. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 8 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Now I cannot continue with 8. I need to wait. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. Let me zoom this a little bit. Okay. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left now in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. Need a 7 there. And I need a 2 here. Well. Need a 4. thinking. Need a 9 here. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well. Thinking. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 9 here. Yep, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in the 6. Yeah, I need to. Cannot wait. 2 in the 4. Need a 9 here. And I need a 9 there. And here can be a 9. Well, 9. 3. How about the 5? 5. Need one number. 1 and need a 4 here. 4. And I'm stuck. Well, 2. Come on. Need a 7 here. 6. Need a 5. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 5. Need a 5 here also. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, there are only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Yeah. How about 8? 8. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. 1. 2. 2 there. 1, 2, 3. Need 4, 5. Need 6. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 marks. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. Wait. 2. No, I need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 4, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 marks. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Come on, 7. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, overlooked. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. Alright. So one of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. Then 3, 9, 7, 2. Yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1. 7 there. How about 4 missing numbers in this first column? One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Then 9, 8, 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. Yep. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. With all the 3s, no, well, and all the 3s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 3. Need a 4 here, and I need a 5 here. 5, need a 5 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. The 6 I've already filled in. How about the 5? 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. Here can be a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5. There's the only place left. The 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left. The 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 7. So the 7 goes there. 2 to 4. We have a 4 now in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left. The 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left. The 2 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 4. So the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there together with the 9. We have a pair, so I've eliminated here the 6. So the 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here, 4 and 9, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Then 6, 6, 6, 6. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. The 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 7. These 2 are reserved for the 9 and 5. I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 2 and 8, we have 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 9, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Right, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mass. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. 9 and the 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 1 box left in the second column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 6, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Yeah, 6 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not true, not a 0. Also not the 3 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.